So my general approach with these types of questions is to start with specific examples and then try to build a pattern. And I think it just helps you visualize what's happening. So we're looking for all 4-digit even numbers, which means that the last digit has to be 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So if it's 0, 0, then what are my choices here? Well, it could be 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, all the way to 9, 9. So that's one scenario. And if I expand this, that if instead of 2 zeros, I have 2 2s, then again, I'll have 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 9, 9. So that would be 9 more such numbers, 9 here. And then if it's 4, 4. So I like to do this so that I'm very clear what's happening. Same thing. And then same thing with 6, 6. So at least at this point, I've kind of seen that I'll have 45 such numbers, 4-digit. Now the question is, we have to add them and then divide by the number of terms to find the average. And so how do we go about adding them? Well, the 0 one is the easier part. So 0, 0, 1, I'll have to add 1 through 9, which is using the formula for the sum of first n natural numbers, n plus 1 over 2. That becomes 45. So I have 45, 5, 4 goes up, and then again I get 45 plus 4, 49. So that's this part. Now if you notice these other numbers, the only difference is that we have, for example, in the case of where it ends in 2, we have 9 22s in addition to that, because if you just remove that, it becomes 1100, 2200, and that I've already added. So this sum will be 49,500 plus 9 times 22. Same thing here, 49,500 plus 9 times 44. So we'll have 6 of these, no, 5 of these. This is where you want to be careful. 5 of these. So our sum would be 49,500 times 5 plus 9 times 22 plus 9 times 44 plus 9 times 66 plus 9 times 88. So that's the sum of all 4-digit even natural numbers that satisfy this condition. I need to divide this by the total number of terms, which is really 9 times 5. So I'll divide this in pieces. This piece divided by 4950. And so you'll see the 5 drops out. And I can divide this by 9. 9 times 5 is 45. 45. So it's 5,500. So it's 5,500 plus what's remaining. And you can see from the answer choice it has to be D. But if I'm doing this in the exam, I'll absolutely make sure it comes out the same. So now if I factor out a 9, I get that 44 plus 66 plus 88. Actually, what I'm going to do is to factor out 9 times 22. So it would be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 divided by 9 times 5. That drops out. This is 10. So 22 times 10 over 5, 2. So that's 44. And I need to add that to 5,500. So my average is 5544, which is indeed choice D.